Hi, this is Joël Meyer. Do you remember the trophy I showed you last year? I thought I could improve it by adding some handles. You will find the pattern in the supporting document, but since not all containers have the same dimensions, you may have to adapt it slightly to the size of your trophy. To draw the handles, I laid the trophy on a sheet of scrap paper and then I drew the handle on one side. Next, I removed the trophy and corrected the lines to create my basic pattern. So, if you cannot use my pattern, this is how you can create your own. Don't forget to add tabs to attach the handles to the trophy. Take thick construction paper and fold it in half. Place your pattern on the construction paper and trace it twice. Then cut out the handles. Glue the two layers of construction paper on each other to form one handle. Do not glue the tabs together. The tabs will be glued to the trophy. The double thickness of construction paper with the glue will make the handles very rigid. Let the glue dry. Take an X-Acto knife and cut a slit in the top part of the trophy. Next, make a vertical slit straight below the first one and at the right height for the bottom of the handle. Slide the tabs into the slits. Fold the upper tabs against the inside of the trophy. Glue the two upper tabs to the inside of the trophy with hot glue. Glue the bottom part of the handle where it enters the trophy. Use thick white glue because it makes a nice joint. Proceed in the same way for the handle on the other side of the trophy. When the glue is dry, paint the handles by first putting a coat of ochre paint because gold paint is transparent. When the ochre paint is dry, put 1 or 2 coats of golden paint. Don't forget to paint the tabs inside the ball at the top of the trophy. Let dry completely. So that's how you turn a simple trophy into a more sophisticated trophy. To print the document with illustrated instructions and the pattern, click on the link below the video and visit the Anima Plates website to find hundreds of other fun projects.